Using Affirm on SeatGeek is a convenient way to purchase tickets and pay for them over time. To get started, navigate to the SeatGeek website or mobile app and search for the event you want to attend. Once you have found the tickets you want, proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, select Affirm as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Affirm website to complete your application. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account and provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and social security number. Affirm will then perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will be presented with a range of payment options, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. Choose the payment plan that works best for you and confirm your loan. You will then be redirected back to the SeatGeek website to complete your purchase. Review your order and make sure everything is correct before submitting your payment. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of your loan before confirming your purchase. Make sure you understand the total amount you will pay, the interest rate, and the repayment term. Affirm offers a range of repayment options, including 3, 6, or 12 months. To avoid late fees, make sure to make your payments on time. You can set up automatic payments or pay manually each month. If you have any issues with your payment, contact Affirm customer support for assistance. Using Affirm on SeatGeek is a great way to purchase tickets and pay for them over time. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of your loan, you can enjoy your event without breaking the bank.